Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to prove this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So secant of x we change by this one. This one we change by this one. Next, about cosine x squared, we'll go to numerator. Next, about number 1, we can do about common denominator. So, this one plus this one. Next, we have the formula in here. So, we change this one into number 1. And we have cosine x squared over sine x squared equals to cotangent x squared. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.